In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw at WPS Office Word tutorial. If you want to add custom drawings or sketches directly in your WPS Office Word document, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Whether you need to highlight ideas, create visual notes, or just add creative touches, WPS Office provides several tools to make drawings simple and versatile. To start, open the document where you want to draw. Once your document is open, go to the top menu and click the Review tab. In this section, you will find an option called Quick Draw. Click on Quick Draw to activate the drawing feature. Here, you can select the type of pen or drawing tool you want to use and choose a color that fits your design. If you make a mistake while drawing, you can easily correct it by clicking the eraser icon at the top. Quick Draw also allows you to create lines and highlights, giving you additional flexibility to annotate or emphasize parts of your document. Another way to draw in WPS Office Word is through the Insert tab. Click Insert and then select Shapes. A drop-down menu will appear showing different shape options. Scroll down to the Lines section and click on Scribble, which is the last option. This tool allows you to create free-form drawings by simply dragging your finger or mouse across the page. Once your drawing is complete, you can customize it further. At the top of the page, next to the line options, there is a drop-down menu called More Options. Clicking this opens additional settings that let you apply effects to your drawing. You can add shadows, reflections, or glow effects, adjust soft edges, and even create 3D formats and rotate your drawing in 3 dimensions. These tools allow you to enhance the appearance of your sketches and make them more visually appealing. Using these features, you can add detailed illustrations, annotate documents, or create custom graphics directly within your Word document. Drawing in WPS Office is flexible, allowing you to undo mistakes, choose colors, and apply visual effects to achieve the exact look you want. That is how you can draw in WPS Office Word using both Quick Draw and the Shapes Scribble tool. These features make it easy to bring your creative ideas directly into your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.